To connect AC input power cables to the rectifier cabinet, remove the rodent-proof mesh to route the cables. Remove the circuit breaker covers in the AC cabinet. Remove the circuit breaker cover in the rectifier cabinet. Install the AC power cables. Connect one end of the cable to each of the 3 AC output circuit breakers in the AC cabinet. Reinstall the circuit breaker covers in the AC cabinet. Connect the other end of the cable to each of the AC input terminals in the rectifier cabinet. Reinstall the circuit breaker cover in the rectifier cabinet. Installation is now complete.